Use a graphing device to graph the given family of lines in the same viewing rectangle. We are to graph a line in slope-intercept form, y equals mx minus 2, where negative 2 is the y-intercept, and m changes according to the values that are given. The first value of m is 0, so in other words, we are to graph a horizontal line with a y-intercept of negative 2. So we'll choose the line tool. We'll put a dot at negative 2 on the y-axis for our y-intercept, and then any other dot that has a y-coordinate of negative 2. This will create a horizontal line, in other words, a line with a slope of 0 and a y-intercept of negative 2. Next, we are to graph a line with a slope of 0.25. 0.25 can be expressed as 1/4. So expressed as a slope, the rise would be 1 and the run would be 4. So we'll choose the line tool. We will start with the y-intercept negative 2, and then we'll go up 1 and to the right 4, and put a point at the coordinates 4, negative 1, and now we have graphed the line y equals 0.25x minus 2. Next, we'll graph the line y equals negative 0.25x minus 2. Again, we have a y-intercept of negative 2, but this time the slope is negative 1/4. So from there we'll go down 1 to the right 4 and place another dot, and that creates the line y equals negative 0.25x minus 2. Next, we'll graph the line y equals 0.75x minus 2. 0.75 can also be expressed as 3/4. So again, we'll select the line tool, put a dot at negative 2 on the y-axis, and this time we'll count up 3 and to the right 4 for our slope of 0.75, or in other words, 3/4. Next, we'll graph the line y equals negative 0.75x minus 2. This time, let's do something a little bit different. A slope of negative 0.75 could be expressed as negative 3/4, which would mean down 3 to the right 4, or it could be expressed as 3 over negative 4, which would be up 3 to the left 4. So again, we'll select our line tool, put a dot on the y-axis at negative 2, and instead of going down 3 and to the right 4, we can create the same line by going up 3 and to the left 4. And now we've graphed the line with a y-intercept of negative 2 and a slope of negative 0.75. Next, our slope will be 4.5. 4.5 can be expressed as 9/2. So again, we'll start by selecting the line tool, put a dot on the y-axis at negative 2, and then we'll count up 9 and to the right 2, place another dot, and that graphs the line. Next, we'll need to graph y equals minus 4.5x minus 2. Our slope can be expressed as negative 9/2 or as 9 over negative 2, which would mean go up 9 and to the left 2. So we'll do that. We'll select our line tool, put a dot on the y-axis at negative 2, and then we'll go up 9 and to the left 2. And now we've graphed the line y equals minus 4.5x minus 2.